Homebound is now released in theaters. Unfortunately, as I won't be able to watch it till weekend, I still want to talk about it. Dharma's newly released trailer for Homebound is, simply put, refreshing. A rare kind of trailer these days that shows us what films are for. I watched this trailer and I'm torn. On one hand, I marvel at how beautiful it is. On the other, I wonder why, in trying to be beautiful, many trailers give us the entire film in 2 minutes. Yeah, I'm looking at you, Sunny Sanskari, ki Tulsi Kumari. Homebound avoids that trap. It teases, it demands attention, but it keeps something sacred: mystery, weight, and realism. I deeply root for Ishaan Khattar and Vishal Jetwa. They are terrific performers. In this film, they are carrying hopes and failures, matchsticks of rage and fragile dreams. Vishal especially stands out for me. He's from middle class India and he carries that so damn well in posture, in glance, internal conflicts, in dialogue delivery, everything. He's truly embracing his character. Ishaan Khattar is a chameleon. Whether he's playing someone with humble roots or someone royal, he adapts and becomes believable in soul. The trailer also features Janhvi Kapoor. So far, it feels like she might be the love interest whose duty is to just motivate like any other film's topic like this. Just hope that character carries some weight. A comment that caught my eye beneath the trailer. This is exactly the kind of films that flops at the box office and is remembered as cult later on. I can completely feel it. That was the same feeling with 12th Fail and Masan. But I want more. I want it to be big, so that studios take more bets on real stories, on fresh voices, on narratives that don't shy from discomfort. Because if they don't, Dharma and other big studios may again retreat to safe bets. Nepotism, kids, formula, star power over stories any day. Directed by one of the finest, Neeraj Ghaiwan, who gave us Masan, I feel Homebound would deliver. It got a 9-minute standing ovation at Cannes Film Festival, so something is there, which we also got to see from the appealing trailer. The trailer doesn't shy away from India's harsh outskirts, the caste, realities, religious discrimination, poverty, and so much. We are past many things, but many things still persist. Invisible walls, subtle violence. Who are you? What are you? Films like this, when made with care, when told with sincerity, are necessary. After watching the trailer, I want to be hopeful that it's a mirror. I just hope that we, as an audience, don't let this down.